Hey guys, I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to unbox a smart camera or security camera from Xiaomi. So this one Xiaomi call it small square smart camera that connect to the network by Wi-Fi connection. So let's just open the box. Inside the box you will see a manual that's written in Chinese, and of course I cannot read it. You will see the camera itself, which we will take a look later, and inside this box you will also get a power adapter and a very long micro USB cable for the convenience, since this is a camera. The camera is small and square, as the name suggested. You can open up and extend the leg. Underneath, you will see a reset button, a micro SD card slot that supports up to 64 GB. And on the back, there is a micro USB port for the power and full-size USB port for the connecting to the thumb drive. This model also includes speaker and a microphone. The foot is magnetic and can be attached to any metal surface easily. The lens is f2.0 aperture that can capture wide image of 110 degrees. This model records full HD resolution, and it also supports night vision too. So this is my quick unboxing. Let me know if you need a review of the camera. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to show your support, and I will see you in the next tech video.